I don't want to be compared to her. It'll be wrong to be compared to Sakshi. Ji. The episodes, my mom, my mother-in-law, they are seeing it every day and they tell me every day, oh, ye bahut acha tha, aaj ye bahut acha tha. And Rahul is very happy. And he has been so amazing about it. My mehendi had not gone off. Like, mere paon, haath mein mehendi thi when I was shooting. And so many times it's offered to someone else, they don't do it, someone else and ends up doing it. So it's a very normal thing. Nakul still tells me, abhi bhi tu bachchi hai. But that's because I was 17 back then. Now I'll turn 27 in 2 months. So it's almost that when my father passed away, I was back on set in like 10, not even 10, 5-6 days. So I know how to like keep it to myself and show that I'm okay, everything is fine, life is fine. But I used to cry alone when I used to be alone, like how Priya does.
Firstly, a huge congratulations to you, Disha. I know that the show has been garnering a lot of praises, lot of love from across the country as well. When the first offer first came to you? What was your initial reaction like? Were you surprised? Were you excited? What was it like for you?
So, now that you're asking me, one memory just clicked in my head is that I have been in talks with Balaji before for a few shows and it has never worked out. It has never happened. So first thought in my head was like, ये नहीं होगा. क्योंकि कभी नहीं होता है with Balaji. It has never happened. So that was my first thought कि ये नहीं होगा. But ठीक है, आया है so great. I mean, if it happens, fab. But in my head, I was like, ये शायद this is not gonna work out. And then I got so busy in between my wedding because this was so last minute. I can't tell you. Like first time when they spoke to me, they told me that 17th July will be the promo shoot. I said, I am only saying no because 17th is my Sangeet, so I can't do it. I can't leave my Sangeet and come for the shoot. So again, then I thought maybe it won't happen because I'm not available. And you know how it is. If you're not available, then they can go and find someone else. Yeah. But then it all was just so smooth and it was just meant to be. And it just happened. And when I was finally told that, yes, you are doing it, I was ecstatic. It was very, very happy moment because who hasn't seen Bade Achhe Lagte Hain season 1? Everyone has. And it's a massive show. I have seen it in bits and pieces, but I do know how big that show was and how big the shoes are to be filled. So yeah, all this was going on in the head, but mostly it was excitement. And I was like, you know what, this is going to be good.
But I was actually coming to that, like you mentioned that all of that thoughts were there in your head that, it was a big show you have to carry. It's sort of taking ahead the legacy of the season. Right? Did you have any apprehensions when you were finalized and you were told that, okay, you are playing Priya finally? Were there moments where you were like, what if it doesn't work out? Like, what if people don't accept
I did not have that initially till it was put in my head with a lot of people around. When you are very happy, but then you are told, this is going to be hard, you're going to be compared to her and the show is going to be compared to season 1. And I was like, I was fine till everyone started saying it around me and I was like, shit, okay, now this is a little bit of pressure. But I am just trying to be as cool. That's how I am. I'm trying not to take any pressure because frankly, I don't want to be compared to her. It'll be wrong to be compared to Sakshi. Ji. She's, who she is. So I don't want to be compared and I don't think I'll be compared. Also, the characters are different. So it makes it easy for the comparisons to not happen. So I think it just all fell in place. And I think first episode has been liked, second episode has been liked. So I'm happy.
The first thought that came to me as well was because I have loved the first season and I was like, yaar, ye kaise hoga? Pata nahi. Usually the second seasons of most shows are very
it goes for a toss. Either it's good or it's really bad.
Yeah, and then I watched it and I was like, even for a moment I did not think of Ram and Sakshi because you two sort of like embodied them for me in this show, and that I think is a huge thing because even for a moment when you were playing Priya, in my head usually subconscious mind में एक ना comparison अपने आप आ जाता है कि यार इसने ऐसे किया था, but not even for a moment I could think about that, because this Priya is very different. She's out there. She's not timid. She speaks her mind, but at the same time she's ruthless when she speaks. Like, she doesn't care. You know, how much did you relate to it as Disha as well? Do you relate to any aspect of this Priya at all?
I do, for sure. I have traits of Priya. And I think now on the set, a lot of people tell me, oh God, you started behaving like Priya. Like, what's wrong with you? I've heard this 2-3 times. So I think it is there in me somewhere. So I don't like Rain myself. I mean, I like Rain, but like Priya says that, घर से सबको अच्छी लगती है, जिसको काम पे जाना पड़ता है ना, उसको पूछो. And I feel it so much. I'm like, yeah, like we have to shoot in rain. The feet get dirty. The clothes get wet under the umbrella. It's so hard when you're shooting in the rain. So I feel all of that. So I totally relate to her. She's very normal and relatable. And I think that's the best part. And me playing characters till now have been nice. How television heroines are usually. They are very positive. They don't talk bad stuff. They will be very right. This one is just out there. Like, I don't like you, I don't like you. You do this wrong, you do that wrong. So that is something which is really cool.
But how is the family reacting? Because I know that family around me, my family loved it when they watched it. I loved it. But how is your family? Because after a very long time, you have also come back doing daily soap. What do
everyone's very happy. Everyone's very excited because everyone's seen first Bade Achhe Lagte Hain. So it's like, oh wow, this is gonna be great. But the episodes, my mom, my mother-in-law, they are seeing it every day and they tell me every day, oh, ye bahut acha tha, aaj ye bahut acha tha. And Rahul is very happy. I've said it already 2-3 other places that I want to give him the credit because he's the lucky charm. I feel that after I got married, within 10 days I was on set, and he has been so amazing about it. My mehendi had not gone off. Like, mere paon haath mein mehendi thi when I was shooting. And I was feeling a bit weird. Yaar, I've just gotten married, but it was such a good show. And he's like, don't let it go. It's a good opportunity. Just do it.
Yeah.
So I cannot stop gushing over him. So it's him.
I can completely understand. But when the offer came to you, there were also reports of Divyanka doing it. And she even went on record to say that, because wo look test mein acha nahi laga ya whatever. But that baggage of someone else was supposed to do it at some point. Did it ever affect you saying yes to it?
I mean, no, it happens so many times. So many times it's offered to someone else, they don't do it, someone else ends up doing it. So it's a very normal thing. And like I said, I'm a very nonchalant person. I don't take baggage, I don't take stress. I mean, I try to be as normal and calm as possible. That's just me. I think it was just meant for me. So it just came to me. And also it had to happen.
And the biggest plus is that you returned with Nakul. I mean, बड़े अच्छे लगते हो 1 और 2 के बीच में काफी लंबा गैप था, एंड आप दोनों, नकुल और आपने जो लास्ट काम किया था और उसके बीच में भी लंबा गैप रहा है. हाउ हैव यू टू इवॉल्व्ड सिंस देन? बिकॉज़ तब आप बहुत यंग थे.
Exactly, a lot.
अभी भी यंग हो.
But Nakul still tells me अभी भी तू बच्ची है, but that's because I was 17 back then. Now I'll turn 27 in 2 months, so it's almost 10 years.
A decade, yeah.
Yeah, it's been a decade, and I think the same time Bade Achhe Lagte Hain came in 2011 and it finished in 14. So that time our show was going on, Pyar Ka Dard Hai. But we both have evolved so much. It's like 10 years later, we are same, yet we are different people.
Yeah.
We've evolved in life. So much has happened in our lives. So it's easier because there's history of working together. There's comfort, but again our approaches are so different now. Like, it used to be something else, it is something else now, but it has been good. Also, मैंने ज़्यादा shoot नहीं किया अभी नकुल के साथ. We've only shot 2 scenes together. We are yet to shoot more, but it's good. It's been going great.
But were you excited when you finally knew that you will be sharing screen space with Nakul after such a long time? Was that?
Of course, I was happy. Yeah, it was great. आपने already किसी के साथ काम किया, you know their temperament, you know how they work, they know how you work. So it's very easy because we have to shoot every day. We have to spend 12 hours together on the set every day. So it has to be like easy.
Properly,
So that was there. I was happy about the fact. And yeah, I mean it. And 3-4 महीने पहले we had spoken and there was no discussion. This show was not even in the picture, and he just normally randomly said that we should work together sometime. I was like, yeah, I'll be good. Who knew
and
this will happen so soon?
Yeah. When you play a character like Priya, which is also who is fierce, but also has sort of shielded her heart somewhere, you know, because she's afraid of getting her heart broken yet again. As an individual, how much do you believe in this entire thing of shielding heart को इस तरीके से? Have you ever been in that position? Do you relate to that emotion? Are you that kind of a person who would literally shield herself from a heartbreak once she has experienced it?
Little bit. Her situation is different. I've been in a different situation when I felt that. Like, I mean, now that you ask me, and the memory that clicks in my head is that when my father passed away, I was back on set in like 5-6 days. So I know how to like keep it to myself and show that I'm okay, everything is fine, life is fine. But I used to cry alone when I used to be alone, how Priya does. So she's also gone through some bad times, but she will be like, I am okay, life is fine, like whatever.
Yeah.
But akele Priya bhi roti hai. So I do relate to that. And to the part that me being married but her being in her 30s is not married, I think that's so normal, right? It happens. It's a very normal thing. You have a heartbreak, you end up feeling that मुझे करना ही नहीं है प्यार, मतलब मुझसे होगा ही नहीं. There are people around who I've seen in such a situation. So you know that really helps when you're performing, thinking of them, that how would they feel. But in general the character has been so realistic that it's not been too hard.
But I also want to ask, there was this one more scene wherein Priya is apne dhun mein, she doesn't care what people talk about her, and but there were judgments being passed. For example, those students who are passing by, they'll be like, oh, she doesn't have it, that's why she's so like, you know, crude about it or rude about it. In your journey as well, were there any sort of judgments that you had to face per se, in general? Because a lot of things actors hear, you know, especially when perhaps they are not working or they are on a sabbatical or they're waiting for the right kind of project. There are judgments that you hear. What
I think that happens. That's very normal, right? I mean, if I'm not working for a very long time, people do say that isko nahi mil raha hai kaam, kyunki maybe she doesn't have it anymore. So that's a very normal thing which happens in life, because log hain, log kuch to kahenge. And that's what Priya says. I don't care about what people say. I am happy. So I totally agree to her.
So it never bothered you ever when?
I mean, there have been times when I was almost doing some work and then it would fall apart for whatever reason. I would be upset then. Ki matlab, what's wrong? Like, why is this not happening? Other than that, people thinking about me ki why is she not getting work on, that doesn't bother me. I mean, you might feel a bit sad in that moment, but then I'm very happily, I brush it off. I mean, I don't try and take a lot of stress on my head. I try to keep myself.
And anyway, good things happen to those who wait.
You know, I always believe good things take time. So I was not working. There was a reason why I was not working, because this show had to happen. And I think nothing better than this could have happened for me.
Truly.
I was very happy in my personal space getting married, and then this just popped up and it had to happen. So it just... That's destiny.
Yeah, but now, before I let you go, because I know that you don't have a lot of time also, I want to know, I know it's a very cliched question, but I want to ask, has things changed for you post-marriage? Because obviously now you stay with in-laws.
Nothing. Nothing. Trust me, the day of the marriage, I was the happiest bride. Like, I remember my wedding planner was telling me, like, thoda sharma ke chala. I said, pagal ho kya? That's not happening. I'm going to be happy, laugh, and I'm going to get to the mandap walking, smiling. That day also everyone was like, something's going to change, life's going to change. I was like, what will change? Matlab, kya hoga aisa? But it has just been the same. Like, we both are such calm, like-minded people that it's just so easy to live with him and his family. They are amazing. Ai Baba are just fab. Rahul is such a cool. We are like both happy in our own life together and separately. So it's just been the same. Trust me, nothing has changed for me. Nothing.
But do you gang up with the in-laws to tease maybe Rahul or to pull his leg? Because that also
that happens. I in general also tease him a lot. So yeah, sometimes that happens because Rahul is very picky about his food. He's very picky with his food. Like he complains a lot. Ye acha nahi hai, ye nahi bana acha, ye wo. So I gang up with his mom, like our mom, and against him a few times.
Thank you so much once again.
Thank you.